So you can see this is the uh, machines and the express AC repairs. This is the websites for customer supports, right? So this kind of website that we have created for our clients. You can see this is the landing page where your toll-free number, you can see how many customers are there, how many services they have done, all the jobs. You can see this is the landing page and trusted by thousands. Now, this is the number and this all the landing page. You can show your products, right? You can show your product, you can show your services. Okay, so this all are the services and no more. So you can click and the common problems that we fix. This kind of pages coming. You can see our services, AC repairs. These all are drop down menus. Refrigerators. So professional refrigerator repairs. This is the hero sections of the websites, and this is the mid sections where the lead generations form. You can see and the process they have written, the what the services, and this way. The free code, if you click the free codes, and the free codes also available. And if I press Ctrl Shift I, this is the responsiveness we have to check. And this side is also, you can say, this is also adaptive and responsive, right? As the screen regulations, this side, this is showing as per screen's regulation, right? Responsive. And also there are services, issue reports, and contact. So guys, if you want to create this kind of website from our Edu Creative digital agencies, so you can definitely connect with us, and all the details are given in the descriptions below, and you can you can find ourselves in YouTube. You can find ourselves in Just Dial and India Mart, any other places you can find out. And this is all of our clients project that we have done for our clients, and also that about us. These are the things, okay? And you can click the phone, so this kind of pop-ups also become this only contact. And if you want to create, if you want to know, if you want to really do this kind of websites, you can connect with us. We can definitely help you out. Thank you. Thank you for joining the sessions. If you have any doubts, you can connect with us, and we are always help to provide you the breaks to base services from our sites. Thank you, everyone. So this is, you can see the bouquet service. You can add your name, mobile number, email address, the products that you have to add it, the age, warranty status, the PIN code, full address that we have created. And the testimonial part, what the customer says, testimonial part also be there. And the FAQ, the frequently asked questions, other service charges, and do you offer same day services, do you provide emergency services, which brands do you provide? So this is the FAQ, all kind of things are there. It's all about us. The animation is there. Thank you everyone for joining this session. Thank you. Sir, if you have any doubt, you can tell me. And client is obviously understanding these things, right? So, sir, is there any doubt? So you can connect with us. Thank you. Thank you everyone for this joining the session. And this all about our website designing and development sessions. And this site is all our client's website. So we have created this. Thank you. Thank you everyone.